Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into your Spectrum account step by step clearly. Open a web browser on your phone, tablet, or computer. Type Spectrum.net into the address bar and press enter. Wait for the Spectrum homepage to load completely. Look for the sign in option at the top of the page. Click or tap sign in to open the login page. On the login screen, find the field labeled username or email address. Click or tap inside that field to activate it. Type your Spectrum username or the email connected to your account. Next, find the field labeled password. Click or tap inside the password field. Type your Spectrum password carefully, watching for uppercase and lowercase letters. If you want to see what you typed, use the eye icon to show or hide the password. Double-check that your username and password are both correct. If you are on a private device, you can select Remember Me to stay signed in. If you are on a shared device, leave Remember Me unchecked for better security. Click or tap the Sign In button to submit your login details. Wait a few seconds while Spectrum verifies your information. If you are asked for a verification code, choose how to receive it by text or email. Open your text messages or email inbox to find the code from Spectrum. Enter the verification code on the Spectrum page exactly as shown. Click or tap Continue or Verify to complete the security check. If you forgot your username, click Forgot Username and follow the prompts to recover it. If you forgot your password, click Forgot Password and follow the reset steps. When resetting, create a strong new password and save it in a secure place. After signing in, confirm you see your account dashboard or main account page. Use the dashboard to check your bill, manage services, or view account details. If the page does not load, refresh once and make sure your internet connection is working. If you still cannot log in, try another browser or clear your cache and cookies. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.